Hello everyone, welcome to GEM Basic Mathematics. Let's solve this question before us. If the second and fourth terms of a GP are 8 and 32 respectively, what is the sum of the first four terms? A 28, B 40, C 48, D 60, E 68. Solution. Okay, we know that the formula for calculating GP is Tn is equals to A r raised power of n minus 1. Okay, and we're told that the second term is 8 and while the fourth term is 32. Okay, so for our second term we have T2 is equals to A r, our n is what? 2, remember, which is 2 minus 1. Okay, and this is something as A r 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, r raised power of 1 is still r. Okay, so end of this, and I told that our second term is what? 8. So our AR is equals to 8. Then we also told that our fourth term, which is T4, is equals to what? 32. So we have AR, our n is what? 4. 4 minus 1. Okay, which is equals to AR 4 minus 1 is what? 3, and is equals to what? 32. Okay, so from here we have AR is equals to 8, equation 1, and AR is equal to 3 is equals to 32, equation 2. Are you here? Okay, so we are using this to divide this. Okay, so we have AR is equal to 3 over this AR is equals to 32 over 8. Okay, so here A can easily cancel A. R here is 1. Here we have R3, so to just cancel 1, remember what? R2. Okay, so we have R squared is equals to 32 divided by 8 will give us 4. Okay, now to get the value of R, you square root both sides. Okay, the square root of this and square root of this. Square root of R squared is R is equals to square root of 4 is what? 2. So our R is 2. Okay, so from equation 1 we have that AR is equals to 8, but we know that our R is what? 2. Okay, so we substitute. We have A times, what is our R? 2 is equals to what? 8. A times 2 is what? 2A is equals to 8. Okay, so divide both sides by 2. 2 cancel 2. Okay, so our A is equals to 8 divided by 2 is what? 4. So now we know our first term. Our first term, which is A, is 4, and our common ratio, which is R, is equals to 2. Okay, but the question says that we should find the sum of the first four terms. Okay, and we know the formula for calculating the sum of a GP. Okay, we have Sn, okay, is equals to A, okay, Rn minus 1 over R minus 1, and also we have Sn is equals to A 1 minus Rn, okay, over 1 minus R. We use this formula if R is greater than 1, and we use this formula if 1 is greater than R. Okay, so from this, R is 2, so R is greater than 1, so we make use of the first formula, which is Sn is equals to A R raised power of n minus 1 over R minus 1. Okay, remember we are asked to find the first four terms, so our n is 4, so our S, we have X 4 is equals to, what's our first term? Our first term is what? 4. We have our R to be what? 2. What is our N? 4. Okay, it's called 4. Sorry. Okay, minus what? 1 over, what is our r? Is 2 minus 1. Okay, so we have 4 times 2 raised to the power of 4 means, okay, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 6 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So we have 16 minus 1, okay, over 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So we have 4. 16 minus 1 is what? 15 over 1, okay? And we have what? 4 times 15 divided by 1 will give us what? 15, okay? And 4 times 15 is what? 60. So the sum of the first 4 terms is what? 60. And that is option D. We have come to the end of this class. Please remember to follow, comment, like, and share.